In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bundle discounts on Vinted. If you sell multiple items, bundle discounts are a simple, effective way to encourage buyers to add more to their cart and check out in one go. You set the percentage once and Vinted applies it automatically whenever someone buys several items from your shop. Let's walk through it together. Open your browser and head to vinted.com, then log into your seller account. This is easiest on a desktop or laptop because the menus are more visible, but a mobile browser will work too. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the page for your profile icon. It's the small avatar circle that opens your personal menu. Click it to reveal your account options, then select Settings. This area is where you manage preferences that apply to your whole shop, including pricing and promotions, so it's the right place to set up bundle savings. Inside Settings, find and click Bundle Discounts. This section controls the automatic discounts. Vinted calculates when a buyer adds multiple items from you to their basket. You'll see an option to enable bundle discounts. Turn that on. When it's enabled, a bundle badge may appear on your listings, which helps signal the offer while buyers browse and compare. Now choose the discount percentages you want to offer for orders of 2 items, 3 items, and 5 items. These tiers are there so you can reward bigger bundles with slightly higher savings. A common setup is around 10% for 2 items, 15% for 3 items, and 20% for 5 items, but pick values that fit your margins and the types of items you sell. If your prices are already tight, start a little lower. You can always adjust as you see results. A few practical pointers will help you dial this in. The discount applies to the combined item price, not shipping, and platform fees still apply. Think about your average order value and the price range of your most popular pieces. For a quick example, if someone buys 2 items priced at $20 and $15, a 10% discount takes $3.50 off their total item cost. That small saving can be just enough to convert a hesitant shopper. The good news is you can change these percentages at any time. Turn the feature on, set your tiers, and watch how buyers respond over the next few days. If bundles start moving, you've likely found a good balance. If not, tweak the numbers slightly until you hit the sweet spot. And that's it. Your bundle discounts are now active. Buyers will see the savings automatically when they add multiple items from your shop, helping you sell more with less effort.